All right, I'm just going to quickly review how we properly draft an email. So I have addressed it to myself because we're just testing right now. Right here it says add a subject. You are going to put a brief description of what the email is about. So for this purpose, I'm going to just put tutorial since it's an email tutorial. And then you're going to, down here, not here, not up here, do not write your message here. That is the subject. You go down to the body of the message. Dear, we're just going to, for the sake of practice, Dear Miss Partika. So you formally address who you're sending it to. Write your body of your message right here. Questions, deadlines, dates that may be relevant to your message. Oops, I spelled deadlines wrong. Deadlines or dates that may be important to your message. Contact information. And then you're going to say sincerely or goodbye or thank you, however you want to sign it off, and include your name again. Here you see that I have an automated email signature, but if I didn't, I would just type my name and then I'm going to include my email underneath just for easy reference so that whoever receives this message can easily reply to me and they know how to contact me. Then I would hit send and boom, done. So that was just a practice email. Do not write everything in the subject line because see how I wrote tutorial as the subject, it popped up here, says tutorial here. If you write your message all in that, it would be across this top of the screen all up here and I would have no idea what you're trying to say. But if you say it down here, I can easily read your message. Awesome. Thank you.